Creators are paying for AI voices that still sound fake. Meanwhile, people are using a free method that sounds 100% human with real emotional depth.
Want an AI voice that sounds real, not robotic? Do this. Search Google AI Studio. Open the first link. Go to Text to Speech. Select the Pro model. Click Single Voice. Pick your voice. Now drop the temperature to 0.7. That gives you a smoother, more human pace. Delete the default text. Set your tone. But don't paste your script yet. First, go to ChatGPT. Use my formatting prompt, link is in the description, paste your script there. Copy the optimized version. Now paste it into Google AI Studio. Boom. Natural, emotional, real. Download it. If you want studio-level polish, edit it in GoldWave. Comment if you want a full guide. Yes, there are other free TTS tools out there, but this one sounds premium. See you in the next one.